What all you gotta go through just to take a regular factory deck out of an 82 Caprice. It's like, man, I've been doing this probably about 30 minutes. Yeah, now I gotta get ready to put all this stuff back. All this stuff back in my 82 Caprice. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all around it real quick. How mint condition is. I just bought this car probably like 2 weeks ago. Let me show you how. Look how many miles on here. 57,000 miles on the 82 Caprice. It was in mint condition, man. Let me show y'all some.
Oh no, Barbie has a brake piece.
Let me get it. All the way around it. Yeah, buddy.
No.
You see it.